A lot of the system designs and concepts that are out there are based on our products. Singulation technology, crossbelt, linear sortation. That's what we've brought to this industry.
Here at FEVE, innovation is in our DNA. And a lot of that comes with just talking with our customers and being good listeners. Asking the question, what is the problem that you need to have solved that no one else is working on? Or what is that one lingering problem that you've talked about for years and you haven't had solved yet? We get there through thousands of incremental improvements, and many of which happen every single day.
Our mission, what's most important, is customer experience. We partner with our clients during the cycles of operation, optimization, and also evolution of their systems. What we bring to the table, in short, is peace of mind.
Quality is paramount here at FEVE. Price and speed will get you in the door, but quality is what keeps the door open. And we get repeat businesses all the time from our customers because they love our quality.
While a lot of companies say that their team members are their most important assets, we live that every day. Everything that we do is a team sport. From people who sell our work, to people who manufacture our equipment, who engineer our solutions, who build, install, service, operate, and maintain. When everyone feels safe and empowered and even expected to get all the ideas on the table. We're going to tell the truth, we're going to own what's on our plate, we're going to innovate, and we're going to serve not just our customers, but each other and our communities and leave it a better place.
Incremental little steps that we take eventually will be something significant, and if we have 2 or 3 significant changes, it will lead to something transformational, and that's where we're going. We want to make FEVE a transformational company.
We have created something special here, and we have a lot of runway left.